Hi, I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing this K&N cold air intake on my 2001 Ford F150 Super Crew Cab. Crew Cab. One of those. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look, see what we got in the box. We have our instructions along with some stickers. Weather stripping. Some other parts here. Intake. And our air filter is in there. Have some clamps and some hoses. This is a 77 series, 77-2514 KP. 2003 4654. So looks like we don't have that many instructions. There must be another page. Yeah, we have a couple pages. Okay, let's get over to the truck. First thing you want to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal. So I'm going to remove the 3 cover bolts, which they are already missing because I lost that before. I broke it. With 5.4 engines, disconnect the crankcase vent hose and the idle air control vent hose from the stock air intake tube as shown. They are right here. Disconnect air temperature sensor, electrical connection. That's this connector. Gotta remove that. Loosen hose clamps at the throttle body and at air cleaner. Then remove stock air tube as shown. I'm removing the clamp from up here, loosening it, and then loosening the clamp from here. Actually, thought that came off of there. There we go. Take that out of the way. To release the air cleaner assembly from the stock grommets located on the inner fender. Fitting. Using a flat blade screwdriver, release the housing cover and pull up as shown. Remove the mass air sensor in the housing. Bolt the stock air sensor to the provided heat shield using provided adapter and gasket and hardware as shown. Take the air cleaner housing off. Take this apart. And then I'm supposed to pull this back. Okay. I have to pull this back. Pull that out. There's a clip here. Looks like I need to release that. There we go. Got that separated. Had to push in this clip. I need to remove this. These are a 10mm. Now, this. One gasket here and there. Okay, I've got 4 Allen head bolts or button head bolts that they want to call them, and washers. Install the gasket on this side. Here's my other gasket. Make sure it lines up because it's only going to line up one way, I believe. I'm going to put the gasket on this side. Looks like it goes this way. It is offset, so it's only going to go on one way. Okay, I've got those in. You can see. Now I need to install the provided edge trim into the heat shield. This is the edge trim. Install silicone bump hose and hose clamps onto the mass airflow sensor as shown. Looks like that. That loose for now until I set it down in there. Install heat shield assembly into the vehicle and secure it with the stock onto the stock air cleaner grommets using the provided hardware, but do not tighten completely at this time. These 2 bolts, washers, and lock nuts. There, just put that loose. Silicone step hose and hose clamps onto the air intake as shown. Okay, it looks like I'm supposed to install this. We should put the number on top. It says install the provided rubber grommet into the hole in the K&N intake tube as shown. Okay, rubber grommet's in there. Install air temperature sensor from step 8 as shown. Okay. Slide the K&N intake tube into the silicone hump hose and then slide silicone step hose onto the throttle body as shown. So it goes in here first. Good thing I didn't tighten them down. Does not say that the hoses are supposed to, or the throttle lines are supposed to go underneath it or over top of it. Install a provided 5/8 silicone hose onto the open plastic crankcase vent hose and install the open end of the 5/8 inch silicone hose onto the intake tube secure with the provided hose clamps. Well, this is not a 5/8. This is a 3/4 inch line. Okay, now I'm going to reconnect the idle air control, the mass airflow. So I'll plug that into there. I'm going to put the wire back in the loom, the conduit. Like so. Run it down underneath here, up around, and then plug it into here. And then slide this rubber boot over top. Go. So got this tight, these two tight, these tight, Seems to be good. That seems to be on there good. Just I hope so. And then I'm going to go and tighten these up. That is a 5mm. And of course it's tough to get your hand down in there. There we go. That should be good. Slide that down in there. And clamp up around this side with the screw. There we go. It's on there nice and good. Start the engine and transmission in neutral or park. In the parking brake engage. Listen for air leaks, odd noises. Use connection for odd noises. Find cause and repair before proceeding. And this kit will function identically to the factory system except for much louder and much more responsive. Test drive vehicle. Listen for odd noises. Rattles fix if necessary. Road test fine. You can now enjoy added power from your kit. Okay, we should be done. Anything I have to do yet is start it up. Well, that'll do it for installing the K&N Cold air intake on my 2001 Ford F150 Super Crew Cab, the 5.4 liter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay safe. Thanks for watching.